Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you how to turn into a driveway. In this video, I'll be going over a simple tutorial for turning into a driveway. It's a really useful way whether you're going to park your car or whether you're going to use the driveway as sort of an assistant for the three-point turn in an attempt to turn your car around. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm going to explain what I'm doing as I'm doing it, and I'm going to turn into a few driveways on this street and continually just turn into the driveways and reverse out and turn my car around. So let's get right to it. I'll do a few on the left and a few on the right. So I'm going to go ahead and move forward. Now I'm going to start off by doing a driveway on the left, turning into a driveway on the left. What you want to do is you want to make sure that you are checking, putting your signal on, checking your rear view mirror, checking your side mirror, checking your blind spot, always making sure that it's safe to do so and making sure that you're not interfering with traffic or pedestrians. So I'm going to pick a driveway up here. Left signal goes on, rear view mirror, left side mirror, left blind spot check. I'm slowing down, no traffic, no pedestrians. I'm turning into the driveway, just like that. Turn the wheel and straighten the wheel out to move up in the driveway. And I'm just going to reverse out over here, just like this. I'm just going to be using the driveways as a way to sort of turn my car around on the street. But you can use this method whether you're turning your car around on the street or just parking your car in the driveway. All right, we're going to choose a driveway on the right now. So I'm just driving up ahead, putting my right signal on, rear view mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot. I've picked the driveway. I'm gonna steer out a little bit to get a wider turn, right? So sometimes what you wanna do is you wanna steer out a bit to get a little bit of a wider turn so that you can get into the driveway much better. Once again, I'm reversing out. Okay, and we're going to continue doing this a few more times. So I'll do one more on the left going this way, and then I'll do one more on the right going this way, and then one more on the left going the other way. So we're going to go ahead and choose a driveway on the right. That's the first step. It's actually picking the driveway. You want to know which driveway you're going to turn into in advance and make sure that you can turn into that driveway, that it's possible. So I'm going to put my right signal on, rear view mirror, right side mirror, right blind spot, slow down, and I'm going to turn into this driveway. Now, I was unable to sort of steer out a little bit simply because there was a car in the oncoming traffic area, so I was unable to, to actually steer out and get a wider turn so I could turn the wheel more sharply. But that happens sometimes. So one more time, I'm going to make a turn into a driveway on the left over here. I'm going to make a left. So I'm going to choose a driveway up there, put my left signal on, rear view mirror, left side mirror, left blind spot. Here's the driveway. Wait until I come close, turn the wheel, turn into the driveway, and I'm straightening the wheel out so I can actually go straight forward on the driveway. And now I'm going to go ahead and reverse out. I'm getting off of these driveways rather quickly because, I'm just using them to turn around. I'm not parking my car. They're not my driveways. So I don't want to disturb the people that are in the house or the driveways or anything like that. But that's basically it. Now, there's one other thing that I have to say before I finish this video, and it's an important factor. When you're turning into a driveway, I'm driving on the right side of the road. So when I turn into the left, a driveway on the left, I don't have to steer out to just sort of get the turn to be a bit wider so I can sharpen the steering. Because I already have a good amount of turning space when I'm turning into a driveway on the left. But on the other hand, when I'm turning into a driveway on the right, because I'm already on the right side of the road and the driveways on the right are, just like on 90-degree angles from the street, I have to steer out to the left a little bit and then I can get a sharper turn to the right, right? So that's a key factor and I just wanted to outline that. But that's basically it. In this video, I have shown you how to turn into a driveway. It has been a very simple driving tutorial and I hope that you've enjoyed it. If you liked the video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great car and driving videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.